When it comes to home do-it-yourself projects and making small holes in things, you've got to find the right tool. It's easy if you know the drill. The Greenworks 24V Brushless Drill Combo Kit, that is. We're review to you. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. If you're one of those guys who refuses to call someone more qualified to fix problems around your home, then all power to you. The least you can do, though, is get the right set of tools. Specs and features. The Greenworks 24V Brushless Drill Combo Kit comes with a 1/2-inch 2-speed transmission cordless drill, a 1/4-inch cordless impact driver, two 2-amp lithium-ion batteries, a charger, drill bits, and a carry bag. The drill is powered by a 24V brushless motor running on a 2-speed transmission. One delivers high torque and low speed at 380 RPM, and setting 2 gives you low torque and high speed at 1450 RPM. Adding the right drill bit can all be done by hand. The keyless chuck means you can quickly and easily swap out and adjust torque depending on the surface you're trying to drill. As for the other unit, the impact driver can punch out up to 1950 pounds per square inch and 220 Newton meters of torque via its variable speed trigger. Perfect for driving those screws, nails, and fasteners deeper into surfaces. And on both tools, you've got a handy LED to light up your workspace. And the efficient brushless motors mean, even after long periods of time, the drills don't carry excessive heat. So, what do we like about the Greenworks 24V Brushless Drill Combo Kit? We've used our fair share of cordless drills before, and this is noticeably more comfortable to use. It's lightweight and ergonomic, and the compact design means that you can work in tight corners and small spaces. The batteries are also compatible with other tools from Greenworks, meaning you can mix and match with over 100 other Greenworks tools. So, what's the downside? The included charger kinda sucks. Unlike every other charger we have for our other Greenworks power tools, this one does not have a positive locking connection to the battery. The battery slides onto the charger, but it is only held into position by the spring action of the charge terminals. So what are other people saying about the Greenworks 24V Brushless Drill Combo Kit? One Amazon reviewer said, "I have other Greenworks products, and I have been happy with all. This is a great package at a great price, charges quickly, and I have not had a problem with it taking care of any task. We rebuilt a deck, and I've used this drill into large 4x4s and 6x6 boards with no problem." Wayne Adams either couldn't articulate the problem or he has a couple screws loose. He wrote, "Battery not strong enough. I put 6 screws in and battery showed that it used battery." I sure hope it did, Wayne. But Spud agrees. He writes, "Drill very good, but one battery doesn't hold charge very long." So, what's the verdict? Functionally, this drill and impact combo kit from Greenworks does it all. The battery? It's a concern. But in their defense, it's designed for the odd occasional job around the house, not your everyday drill on a construction site. So, just manage your expectations appropriately. We give it a rating of 4 out of 5 stars. And the Greenworks 24V Brushless Drill Combo Kit could be yours. We'll be giving ours away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win our Greenworks 24V Brushless Drill Combo Kit, the rules, as always, are very simple. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. Well, then select a subscriber at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck! If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.